Swami Samartha Mutt, which is near Solapur, which is Akkalkot Swami Samartha Mandir. That you have to, because all these mandirs are Jagrit mandirs, and once you go there, you actually feel the energy there. God, मेरे तो मुंह में पानी आ गया. And thepsa, it is made out of raw green chilies and peanut की चटनी. मतलब पीनट की चटनी कभी कभी इट्स जस्ट अ लिटिल, मतलब वो ऐसे कूट के डालते हैं, बट इट इज आउटस्टैंडिंग. सो आई गेव यू वरण भात तूप, आई गेव यू उकडीचे मोदक. देर इज पुरण पोळी ऑल्सो यार, मतलब या मतलब बट मतलब उकड़ी के मोदक या पुरण पोळी, इफ यू आस्क मी, आई एम ऑलवेज गोइंग टू से उकडीचे मोदक. Taskari was more fun for me, and Space Gen was a little, not tough actually, but very close to characters I've played earlier. Taskari was absolutely different. Taskari's role as Mitali Kamath, I think, is very close to what I am in real life. I am this live wire, no nonsense person, and who can kick ass when it's required. So I think Mitali was more Amruta than any of the other characters that I've played till today. Amruta is this one person who loves to spend time in her own space, listening to any Shiva songs, any Devi songs, or just calming music. This industry has shown me all those ups and downs, जहाँ पे मुझे समझ में आ गया कि कौन से लोग मेरे हैं और कौन से नहीं हैं. I think unstoppable woman especially for me means somebody who can take decisions all on her own. She has the freedom that she wants. She has her own voice, and she respects people, and she also gets respect in return.
True.
Hi Jaya.
Amrita, how have you been?
I've been good, thank you so much.
So we are doing this in the episode. It's called She is Unstoppable.
Oh, okay.
I think आपसे अच्छा guess नहीं हो सकता था.
फिलहाल तो 2026 is unstoppable for me,
Yes,
and touchwood,
of course,
by
of
all by God's grace, because Taskari is doing so well, and Space Gen Chandrayaan भी जो है वो भी release हो चुका है. I'm producing a play. I'm also doing outdoor shows for it and everything. So yeah, it's been a crazy busy but a very very grateful January.
But when I say she is unstoppable, how do you describe that?
I think unstoppable woman especially for me means somebody who can take decisions all on her own. She has the freedom that she wants. She has her own voice, and she respects people, and she also gets respect in return.
True. But मुझे ये बताइए, what's this with M?
M?
माधवी, मिताली,
I don't know. In fact, मेरा जो राजी में नाम था वो भी मुनीरा से ही था, मतलब मुनीरा नाम था. But I don't know M क्यों लकी है मेरे लिए. In fact, अभी जो मेरी co-producer है मेरे play की, जो मेरी writer भी है, she is Madhugandha Kulkarni. So I don't know what is with M, and मेरी favorite actress माधुरी दीक्षित मैम है. तो I think it is कुछ है, कुछ conspiracy है M के साथ मेरी.
Two different topics. When I talk about Taskari and then I talk about Chandrayaan, दो अलग ही topic है ना? Which was difficult for you?
Taskari was more fun for me, and Space Gen was a little, not tough actually, but very close to characters I've played earlier. Taskari was absolutely different. Taskari's role as Mitali Kamath, I think, is very close to what I am in real life. I am this live wire, no nonsense person, and who can kick ass when it's required. So I think Mitali was more Amruta than any of the other characters that I've played till today.
And it was also your first action sequence.
Yes. हाथ तोड़ दिया था मैंने तब तो.
I know. I saw the pictures. And I was like कि भाई कुछ तो कमाल आने वाला है.
Yeah, मतलब I'll tell you what, I had gone for a different role. और पता नहीं क्या हुआ, the director Raghav sir was like, what, we want to audition you for something else, and it's a bigger role. I was like, yeah, sure, why not. और audition किया हम लोगों ने, and they liked it. नीरज sir के सामने हमने एक scene किया, they liked it. And then they were like कि आपने कभी एक्शन किया है? मैंने कहा सर मैं एक डांसर हूँ, मैं डांस कर सकती हूँ, आप मुझे कोरियोग्राफी दिखा दो and I will pick it up. So they showed me the entire choreography of the action sequence, and in around 45 minutes to 1 hour, I learnt it all. and then they saw how I punch the boys. And they feel like, अच्छा पंच करती है यार, चलो ठीक है कर लेते करके. And तब तक मास्टर जी जो अब्बास सर है उनके साथ मेरी इतनी दोस्ती नहीं हो पाई थी. But when I did the action sequence on location, he came and he hugged me. He was like, बहुत अच्छा किया बच्चे आपने, बहुत ही अच्छा किया. And I'm so glad that that action sequence is really highlighted in the entire series. And to get your own action sequence in a Neeraj Pandey web series or a film or an OTT, I think it's great because मुझे याद है नाम शबाना, I think तापसी जी को भी, you know, because of that one sequence in Baby, कितना कमाल का एक्शन
And still
सीक्वेंस
has been
था.
applauded.
एग्जैक्टली. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि
And
मुझे
also मिताली का जब मैं रील देख रही हूँ और पोस्ट देख रही हूँ, if you have seen that, कि भाई मिताली से टक्कर मत लेना.
बिल्कुल नो,
है ना?
हाँ बिल्कुल. आई
And
मीन
in real life also she is like
yeah,
that.
she's a baddie. मिताली कामत AKA अमृता खानविलकर is a baddie.
Absolutely, but when it comes to action sequence like this, तो women still has to go through that tests कि नहीं it's tough, women can do or not, तो वो सारे
Of course, I mean you don't know. See, अगर आपने एक्शन किया हुआ है, अगर आपके प्रोफाइल में शो करता है कि आप किसी भी प्रकार की ट्रेनिंग ले रहे हो, कलरी पट्टू हो या फिर मार्शल आर्ट्स हो, तो इट्स ओके. बट अगर आप बिल्कुल ही नहीं जानते हो कि आपको पंच कहाँ मारना है, कैसे मारना है, हमारी रिस्ट बहुत नाजुक होती है कभी कभी. लाइक मैंने ये फेस किया है, इसीलिए मैं अपने बारे में बता सकती हूँ दैट इट वॉज द लास्ट शॉट ऑफ द एक्शन सीक्वेंस और मैंने ना उसको ऐसे उल्टा पंच मारा और ना मेरा ज़रा सा जो अंदाज है वो यहाँ से चूक गया. एंड आई एक्चुअली हिट द स्टंटमैन ऑन हिज जॉ का, ये जो जॉ होता है ना, वहाँ पे मैंने उनको मारा. तो मुझे पता है क्या दर्द हुआ है. फॉर अबाउट अ मंथ और अ मंथ एंड अ हाफ माई एंटायर हैंड वाज स्वोलन लाइक अ बलून. थैंकफुली आई डिड नॉट हैव एनी फ्रैक्चर और एनीथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि इट इज़ एनी जेंडर बायस कोई चीज़ है. बट of course women are, if they do not know how to do an action sequence, they can injure themselves. एनर्जी बहुत होती है बट अगर टेक्निक नहीं पता ना, फिर वो मेल हो या फीमेल हो, it doesn't really matter. टेक्निक नहीं पता, then you can definitely injure yourself.
But what about that person?
उसको भी लगा, थोड़ा ऐसे ऐसे था उनको. फिर उनको लगा क्या मैडम सब आपके पास ही आ गए, मेरे को किसी ने पूछा ही नहीं. मैंने कहा सॉरी भैया, लेकिन लड़की हो ना तो थोड़ा सा पूछ लिया सबने.
और नेक्स्ट सीन भी होगा मेरा तो वो
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. एंड नेक्स्ट सीन तो आई हैड अ बॉक्सिंग सीन जिसमें वो मोन्टाजेस लेने थे उनके, जहाँ पे मैं किक बॉक्सिंग कर रही हूँ. तो एक हैंड में मैंने अपने क्या कहते हैं वो अपने मेजरमेंट का ग्लव पहना है, एक हैंड में मैंने 2 साइजेस बड़ा पहना है. बट इट डजंट शो बिकॉज बहुत फास्ट कटिंग है. बिकॉज मेरा हाथ ही सूज गया था, तो इट कुडंट गो इनटू द बॉक्सिंग ग्लव. तो फिर वो थोड़ा सा बड़ा लेके हमने वो सीन शूट किया इन 15 minutes आफ्टर गेटिंग इंजर्ड.
Wow, but have you seen the whole
Yeah, and it's great. I mean it
you
just
loved it?
I love
What
it.
was the
I love
reaction
it.
of your family?
They loved it. Like I have my nephew and niece, and when they saw me, they started shouting कि my Mao is in a Netflix movie. So they were very thrilled about it.
है ना. और जब चंद्रयान आया, इस दोनों के बीच में कितना टाइम था?
Not really, about a week or something. That's
नहीं,
about
जब
it.
shoot कर रहे
Shoot
थे
में I think about 3-4 months. Yeah.
हाँ?
क्योंकि जब मैंने Netflix को dates दी थी, I couldn't give any dates to any other project. Yeah.
Oh, wow. And you enjoyed it, this Chandrayaan and all, you know?
Yeah, I think see it's I think this show एक तो रिपब्लिक डे के अवसर पर ये रिलीज हुआ, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है that the entire ISRO chapter, that was such a huge proud thing for the entire nation. And then to kind of make a series about it, which TVF, Arunabh Kumar ji, they are absolutely fantastic in taking these subjects and presenting it in a way where everybody loves it. I mean, उनकी जो पहले वाली सीरीज है, कोटा फैक्ट्री हो गई या इतनी सारी जो सीरीज है, they've always been loved by the जनता. So as actors, we were also very, very thrilled to be a part of this, because of course it's a matter of pride.
Correct.
It
And
has,
it was more of information, you know.
yes, it was more of information. It was more of कि क्या 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 इन इसरो के साइंटिस्ट के पीछे कितनी मेहनत जाती है, कितना 0.0001% भी कितना फ़र्क लेकर आता है पूरे मिशन में. एंड वी कुड सी द ह्यूमन साइड ऑफ इट. आई थिंक दैट वाज अमेजिंग.
Yeah, it was fun. And whom you vibed the most in this?
I think Nakul only. Nakul and me used to sit and chill and have coffee and all because Nakul के साथ मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा scenes थे. So Nakul and me had a blast shooting this.
And Taskari?
Taskari, Nandish and me. Nandish and me had a great time. Of course, Imran sir was there. And हमारी जो तीनों की camaraderie है, I have to give it to Imran sir because being such a huge star, having such a huge female following, he always came. He always came on the set as an inquisitive actor, somebody who knows his lines, and you know, somebody who loves his job, and somebody who's absolutely approachable. Otherwise वो बहुत वॉल होती कि वो एक स्टार है, क्योंकि मैं और नंदिश फिर भी relatively हम लोग नए actors हैं, but with him because of his amazing loving nature, I think हमारी जो तीनों की camaraderie है वो बहुत कमाल की दिख रही है.
बट वो एक ब्रेक हो जाता है ना कि कैसे वो ब्रेक करे और बात करे.
बट हमें वो करना ही नहीं पड़ा. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि he was the first one who broke the ice. मतलब मुझे याद है कि there was a scene जहाँ पे सब ऑफिसर्स ने जो है वो यूनिफॉर्म्स पहने हुए, एंड आई कम इन एज दिस मेल शर्ट पहन के, डेनिम पहन के आई हुई है, और मैं कहीं पर भी बैठ रही हूँ, कुछ भी खा पी रही हूँ, एंड इमरान सर सेड कि इस लड़की को क्यों नहीं दिया यूनिफॉर्म. इसको देख के मेरे को आज जेलसी हो रही है कि हमको यहाँ पे बैठना नहीं है. यूनिफॉर्म उसको क्रीजेस नहीं आनी चाहिए. देयर इज अ डेकोरम व्हेन यू आर वेयरिंग द यूनिफॉर्म, और आप कुछ खा पी नहीं सकते हो, आप कहीं बैठ नहीं सकते हो. कंटिन्यूसली देयर इज वन पर्सन बिहाइंड यू जो साफ किए जा रहा है, थ्रेड हो गया या फिर डस्ट हो गई वगैरह वगैरह. एंड आई यूज्ड टू कम एंड सिट, मैं चौकड़ी मार के बैठ जाती थी, एंड दैट टाइम आई थिंक द आइज बिटवीन मी एंड हिम काइंड ऑफ ब्रोक, एंड ही इज बीन एब्सोल्युटली लवली विथ मी.
ट्रू. बट नाउ लग्न पंचमी के साथ उसके बारे में बताइए. यू आर कमिंग एज एन एक्टर देयर, एज एन प्रोड्यूसर देयर, परफॉर्मर. इट्स अ टफ जॉब रोल.
I think this is my first play ever. मराठी रंगभूमि पर मेरा पहला प्ले है, and I think I have to give it to my writer मधुगंधा कुलकर्णी, who is also the producer of the play. कि जब उन्होंने मुझे अप्रोच किया, she approached me as a co-producer. She did not approach me as an actor, and I think it is so empowering for a woman to think about another woman. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है अगर सिर्फ मुझे एक्टर के हिसाब से अगर पूछा जाता ना ये प्ले, तो मैं शायद करती नहीं. But because there was this one woman who was so sure about me being the actor of the play and being the producer of the play. She was like, whatever we do, whatever mistakes, whatever good things that we do, we'll do it together, Amrita. And I think I have to give it to her because otherwise मैं play करने की कभी सोचती भी नहीं. But it was because of her openness of coming together as a team, in terms of producing, in terms of acting. I could do it, and I'm doing it. We are right now on the 10th show. We are going to go to Pune tomorrow to do around 3 shows. So I'm very glad that I started this journey with her. And she, being a fabulous writer, is such a beautiful human being, is such a beautiful soul. I feel that she did not just think about herself, she also thought about this entirely different person, a new person, that is me. And she said that whatever we'll do it together.
Wow. But producer,
yeah,
how is that job role?
Oh bapre, it is very tiring. I mean, as an actor, you come on your call time, you can go once the shoot is over or the play is over, but as producers you have to come way before time. You have to perform as an actor, then uske baad bhi you have to stay, you have to talk to people, you have to see whether they are comfortable or not. And लोगों की जो भी मतलब क्या critical acclamation आता है या फिर accolades आते हैं, you have to take it all in, you have to again go back, वापस तैयारी करो एक और शो की, वापस उसी एनर्जी के साथ करो. So yeah, it's been a tiring, exhausting journey, but it has been a beautiful journey.
I mean, till then you're loving it and it's best.
Yes. And मेरी एनर्जी इतनी है ना भाई कि मतलब वो खर्च हो रही है. I'm coming home tired. That is my mom is like, चलो तुम थक के घर आ रही हो ना. I'm very happy about it.
आई थिंक ये वन ऑफ द रीजन है सबको अपनी लाइफ में चाहिए कि हम थक कर घर आए कुछ ना
Exactly,
करें,
exactly.
है ना. बट यू नो इन दिस फुल 10 एपिसोड्स आल्सो यू हैव सीन, मतलब आई हैव जस्ट स्टडीड दैट कि जहाँ पे ये बताया गया है कि यू टॉक्ड अबाउट द इंटीरियर्स ऑफ महाराष्ट्र.
Yes,
आई रियली
yes.
वांट टू आस्क यू, टेल अस अबाउट 5 प्लेस इन महाराष्ट्र वी शुड गो एंड विजिट.
You should go and visit.
Yeah,
Oh my
we
God,
also-
there are more than 5 actually. You have
The
to
5
visit.
must visit.
Kolhapur, you have to visit. Then I think there is Tulja Bhavani's देऊळ, जो कुलदेवी है, you know. तो वहाँ पे you have to go. Then there is one place I go every year. It is Swami Samartha Math, which is near Solapur, which is Akkalkot Swami Samartha Mandir. That you have to, because these mandirs are Jagrit mandirs, and once you go there, you actually feel the energy there, and once you feel that energy, you are always going to go back to these temples. So I think then there is this mandir of Khandoba that you have to visit. Jezuri you have to visit. Oh my God! So all these places in Maharashtra, I think, are so deeply rooted in our culture, and you have to visit Raigad. I mean, one of the most beautiful forts ever, and I think. If I talk about Maharashtra and the places that you have to visit, I don't think I can, kind of pinpoint just one. There is so much of culture, there is so much of heritage, and there is so much of godliness in all these places now that you just have to go and experience it.
Wow.
That's it.
And if someone is coming from outside to Maharashtra or to Mumbai or nearby places, 5 food items or
Oh
5
God.
outlets, food outlets, what would you suggest?
So एक तो मुंबई का वड़ा पाव तो है ही. You have to experience that. Then there is misal. Now misal is you get misal everywhere, right? From Kolhapur to Nagpur to Nashik, everywhere. But हर किसी की ना अपनी अपनी एक अलग पहचान है उस मिसल की. So misal you have to try. Like even Bombay में, even in Mumbai, like ठाणे की अलग एक मिसल है, या फिर कीर्ति वड़ा पाव है, वो एक बहुत ही अलग चीज़ है. तो वड़ा पाव, मिसळ, उकडीचे मोदक. Now उकडीचे मोदक
love
is something that is such a homely thing.
Yeah.
But in Pune you can get one of the best उकडीचे मोदक. Like my mom does उकडीचे मोदक the best. Like हर घर की जो गृहिणी होती है ना, the housewife or the mother in the family, they make the most outstanding उकडीचे मोदक, because उकडीचे मोदक they have the most simplest of ingredients.
I feel it's a soul food.
Yeah, it's soul food, and the amount of love that your mothers and your wives and your dadis and nanis put into it, वो उसकी taste बहुत अलग होती है. Then there is varan bhat. You cannot ever go wrong with a varan bhat. You have the meanest of stomach aches or the meanest of whatever in your stomach, it can only be cured with varan bhat and toop. That is one thing that any outsider, if he or she comes, has to try. And again, that is made in the simplest of families, in the humblest of families, and it is the most humble food of Maharashtra, is what I feel. Matlab, varan bhat toop is something that can cure you of anything, of your bhook, of your lethargy, of your, मतलब वो खाना खा के ना आँखों में पानी आ जाता है ना, varan bhat toop is that.
Nice.
Yeah, it's next level. And people who love spicy food need to try pitla bhakri and thecha.
Okay.
Pitla is made out of besan का आटा, and bhakri is made out of ज्वारी, बाजरे का रोटला जैसे होता है वैसे बाजरे की भाकरी होती है, या फिर नाचनी. So these are really healthy and really पौष्टिक जिसको कहते हैं ना, तो भाकरी is extremely healthy, extremely पौष्टिक. And God, मेरे तो मुंह में पानी आ गया. And thecha, it is made out of raw green chilies and peanut की चटनी. मतलब peanut की चटनी कभी कभी it's just a little, मतलब वो ऐसे कूट के डालते हैं, but it is outstanding. So I gave you varan bhat toop, I gave you ukadi se modak. there is puran poli also यार
poli I
मतलब
love. I was
yeah
waiting for
मतलब
it.
but मतलब उकड़ी के मोदक या puran poli if you ask me I'm always going to say उकड़ी से मोदक.
Okay.
Then there is vada pav, there is misal, and then there is पिठलं भाकरी आणि ठेचा.
Wow,
Yeah.
very nice. But you know, Mruda, I really want to ask you this: कि you're a performer, you're a dancer, you're actor, you're a producer, everything inside. But when lights goes off, who Amrita is?
Amrita is this one person who loves to spend time in her own space, listening to any Shiva songs, any Devi songs, or just calming music. And I journal a lot, so मैं journal करती रहती हूँ, मैं friends देखती रहती हूँ, मैं अपनी कोई I love to watch horror films, I love to watch suspense dramas, तो वो मैं देखती रहती हूँ. So me, my little iPad, my little notebook, you know, some chanting I will do. So this is Amrita.
No party person.
No, no party person, भाई. मेरा तो 10:30 मेरा तो बत्ती गुल हो जाता है. I just can't stay awake after 10:30, 11. Party मतलब साल में 2-3 बारी. That's about it. That's about it. But that also very, very प्राइवेट गैदरिंग. मतलब मेरी फ्रेंड है सोना खरे, तो उसके घर पर मैं जाती हूँ. हर डॉटर इज वॉट नाउ 16 समथिंग एंड शी इज़ माई गॉड डॉटर. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. तो आई स्पेंड टाइम विथ हर. आई लव स्पेंडिंग टाइम विथ माई फैमिली. आई लव टेकिंग आउट माई मॉम फॉर अ प्ले और अ film or something. So that's me.
And what keeps you going? No
I
matter
think
what.
I think I have a lot of energy, Jaya. So now I don't know if I don't travel a lot, if I don't dance, if I don't keep trying, I don't know what to do about that energy. And फिर ना वो energy बहुत negatively use होती रहती है. So I try to do something which is little मतलब audition करो, casting directors को continuously approach करो, या फिर कोई सीन हो तो सीन वर्क जाके करो. जैसे अभी मैं प्ले कर रही हूँ तो मुझे सीन वर्क करने का मौका नहीं मिल रहा है. कोई वर्कशॉप करो. ये सब मैं करती रहती हूँ, विच ऑल्सो कीप्स मी बिजी एंड विच ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ यू नो directs my energy towards the right things.
And you also don't forget the roots. What's the reason? I mean, you keep trying all the mediums, whether it's OTT, cinema, Marathi cinema, performing art, performing theatres. How you, I mean, भूलते नहीं हो आप अपने roots को? How's that
I
possible
think
to do all the
as a
things?
Maharashtrian, you know, we are so deeply rooted in our culture, in our homes, you know, and I think that हमको घर से ही वो संस्कार मिलते हैं that आप कहीं पर भी पहुंचो, आप कहीं पर भी जाओ, don't forget that you always have to come back home. You always have to come back to your own people, and they are the only people who will stand by you through thick and thin. And I think God has and this industry has shown me all those ups and downs जहाँ पे मुझे समझ में आ गया कि कौन से लोग मेरे हैं और कौन से नहीं हैं. And I hold them very, very tightly and very close to my heart.
Wow, very nice. But there's a strategy कि नहीं इस काम पे अब मुझे नहीं फोकस करना या यही काम करना है या ऐसा कुछ करना.
No, I do not bind myself into anything. If I would have, you know, मतलब ये काम मैं नहीं करूँगी, वो काम मैं नहीं करूँगी, अगर मैं ऐसा करती तो मुझे नहीं लगता मैं इतना varied और इतना different काम कर पाती. For me to keep working and to keep working to challenge myself is very important. That's why doing theatre at this point of time was very challenging for me. To give myself that kind of time. और एक temperament लगता है आपको theatre करने के लिए. अगर आपने वो बचपन से नहीं किया है या you know शुरू से नहीं किया है तो it's very, very difficult. तो मुझे अपने लिए एक वो टेम्परामेंट बनाना पड़ा, वो टाइम, वो कमिटमेंट देनी पड़ी. एंड इवन टुडे आई एम एब्सोल्युटली कमिटेड टू माय प्ले. बट यू नो टुडे आई वांट टू ग्रो एज एन आर्टिस्ट एंड आई वांट टू कीप ग्रोइंग एज एन आर्टिस्ट. यू नो टुडे दैट वो क्या कहते हैं, वो जद्दोजहद नहीं है कि बाप रे घर बनाना है, पैसे कमाने हैं, कुछ लाइफ बनानी है, ये करना है, वो करना है. आई थिंक आई हैव सफिशिएंटली इन माय ओन सेंस I have done that, and now I want to work towards bettering myself.
But do you still approach for the roles?
Of course. I think it's very important. किसी को आज के ज़माने में nobody has the time to go and search for your name and see अरे ये क्या कर रही है, नहीं, आपको अप्रोच करना पड़ता है, फिर वो मराठी फिल्म हो, डायरेक्टर्स हो, हिंदी मीडियम के डायरेक्टर्स हो, मराठी के डायरेक्टर्स हो, आई थिंक अगर आप अप्रोच नहीं करोगे, पीपल विल नॉट नो दैट यू आर अप्रोचेबल फर्स्टली, एंड व्हाट्स द हार्म इन डूइंग दैट. मतलब आप रिजेक्ट हो जाओगे, ऐसे कौन सा, मतलब आप आज तक बड़े से बड़े एक्टर को भी रिजेक्ट होना पड़ा है. दैट्स ओके, दैट्स द क्या कहते हैं वो, इट्स द पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ दिस गेम, दिस इंडस्ट्री. तो मुझे रिजेक्ट होने से बिल्कुल डर नहीं लगता, बट मैंने अप्रोच नहीं किया, ये एटीट्यूड मेरा है नहीं. मतलब आई थिंक समवेयर इट जस्ट कि चलो यार मैं अप्रोच तो करके देखती हूँ, क्या हो जाएगा, मना कर देंगे ना, ठीक है, एटलीस्ट पहचान हो जाएगी. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट.
But just before getting any roles, if the part is small or relevant, do you still look up that कि नहीं कि ये role करना चाहिए because it has power?
Of course, I think my funda of choosing any role is if I take this role out of this cinema or this web series, is the web series going forward? If it's going forward, then मेरा role important नहीं है. If it's not going forward, एक scene भी होगा ना, I will do it. For me, the length of the role doesn't matter. Of course, it needs to matter at some point of time, but it doesn't matter because sometimes I want to work with a director. Like there was one scene that I did in a Vishal Bharadwaj film. It did not do so well, but I wanted to meet Vishal sir. I'm a huge fan of Rekha Bharadwaj and I wanted to meet the duo. And I met them and they casted me and I was very happy to just meet him. Also, this was years back when I was just starting off. So yeah, it was very special for me.
But how do you see social media these days? कि अगर आप reels कर रही हैं या videos कर रही हैं?
यार मैं reels और videos ना अपने entertainment के लिए करती हूँ. See, I'm a dancer and I love dancing on reels and I think उस वजह से मेरा dance मेरे audience तक पहुँचता भी है. So I'm very happy doing those kind of reels. Yeah.
Yeah. But one message you want to give to all those actors who are still coming or still doing their best?
I think today's actors and today's generation is so intelligent. They are so well read, so well aware. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मुझे कोई भी, because जब मैंने शुरू किया था, which was in the year 2006 or something.
6.
Yeah, so मतलब तब तो कुछ था ही नहीं, तब तो ये every audition I had to go to, everybody I had to meet and stuff personally. मतलब phones वगैरह थे, but not like आज जैसा है कि सबको पता है कि मुकेश छाबरा जी का ऑफिस कहाँ पर है, या फिर जोगी जी का ऑफिस कहाँ पर है, या फिर श्रुति महाजन मैम का ऑफिस कहाँ पर है. सो आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, वो जो गैप है ना वो काफ़ी फिल अप हो चुकी है. Now people are so well read, they know how to dress up, they know how to talk, they know that before even approaching a casting director you need to do certain kind of workshop and everything. So I don't think the today's generation needs any kind of tips, tippaniya from me for sure.
What are you gonna say one message to a younger self, or you wanna want something to your younger self?
I think younger self, I just want to say one thing to my younger self, that don't take everything so seriously. You're just going to be fine.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you so
talking
much,
to me. It
Jaya.
was such a lovely conversation.
Thank
with
you. Same
Amrita.
here. I had so much